I'm going to show you how to use the Black & Decker jigsaw attachment, or how to put the blade inside. So there's a black lever in here, and you're going to lift that lever up with your thumb, slide the blade down here with the teeth facing this side, excuse the pain on my fingers, and then release the lever and it'll be that quick. So lever up, oops, I'm gonna do it with my finger, blade in, release the lever, make sure it's secure, and there you go. So to put the oscillating portion on with your jigsaw, you're just gonna make sure the battery's out, remove the front piece of the drill, and then take your jigsaw attachment, line it up, and snap it in, and you're all set, ready with a jigsaw. Pretty awesome. I can't wait to use it. This will be my first time. Replace your battery and you're ready to go. Use your safety equipment. Woo woo. Obviously, to release the lever, you do the reverse, remove battery, lift up again, pull the blade out, and there you have it.
I love this handy little tool. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.